Hey, my besties, how you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well in your world, and welcome to Queen Bee TV. In today's video, we are cleaning, laundry, hauls, and a few other little things. If this is the kind of content you like, or just want to watch me work really hard, then stop. Hit that subscribe and become a part of the Bestie crew. To my OGs and my news, welcome back. I appreciate you all. I thank you for being here with me on these YouTube streets, and I love you to the moon and back. Now you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it. Hello, besties. Walmart and Family Dollar. From Walmart, we picked up 3 Michelinas, 2 of the Devour chicken bowls for husband, sleepy time melatonin, some grape jelly, 2 things of ibuprofen, the caramel butter pecan praline, and this is the mint chocolate chip. I picked up the blue ribbon strawberry chocolate sundae for the kids, chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream is for Jada. Picked up some of the mouthwash, cherry blossom scent beads. I got some Power Mop liquid, cheese, brats, chopped romaine lettuce, some lens wipes, and green beans. From Family Dollar, picked up, what is this? Another thing of mouthwash, some Gain, what is this stuff called again? Fabrics, spray for the air. And pads for the girls, and another dish drainer. And that is all for the haul. I'm going to put this away. Oh, and late night dinner, Domino's Pizza. Alright, now y'all know what time it is. It's time to go get that load that you know that you need to fold, because it's sitting there looking at you. Here's your motivation to go and get that laundry started, or to go and get that load and fold it up and put it away. Always remember to clean out your lint traps. It's a fire hazard. Clean those lint traps. I saw this on, I don't know, I was doom scrolling on TikTok, and I seen this young lady had put all of her diabetic supplies in her snackle box. And I was like, that is a great idea. So I tried that. Tell me what you think. These are some of the items that I need for when I'm working, because, you know, they'd be a long time between calls sometimes. So I just chill and watch TV, play video games, maybe scroll on my phone. Hello, besties. There's a small grocery haul. I picked up 3 bunches of bananas, bell pepper, 2 jars of creamy peanut butter, orange juice, 2 dozen eggs, a cucumber, cherry tomatoes, chopped romaine blend, salad, purple grapes, 2 cans of tuna fish, 2 loaves of 100% whole wheat bread. This is the Chobani strawberry yogurt and the vanilla. Land O'Lakes honey butter, 2 of these Totino's party pizza supreme, and I got 2 supremes. And then the party pizza pack combination and the triple meat. 4 half gallons of milk, the honey bunches of oats honey roasted, and frosted mini wheat strawberry. And that is all for the haul. Let's put it away. Hello, besties. Tiny haul. Had to pick up some stuff. So I got stuff to make a graduation gift, stuff for the house. I had to pick up another, what is this? Sharps container. Jada was craving honey made graham crackers, spoons and forks, graduation card, plates, spoons. I got the hand sanitizer. This one is Blossom Dream, I believe it's called. She likes Twizzlers. Got her some crystal lip gloss, a hair scrunchie, gummy bears, sour Reese Cups, Sour Patch Kids, a comb brush duo. I mean, not a brush, comb brush. A brush and a mirror. And some hot fries. And the basket to put it all in. That's all for the haul. And put it away.